Hey folks, hey superstars, this is Wesley Virgin here, and I'm getting ready to give you a tour because I'm here right now. Oh, hold up, is this the wrong? Oh, good. I'm getting ready to give you guys a tour of my 7-star suite here in Dubai, okay? So give me a second here, and let me turn the camera around, and let me give you a brief preview of what it looks like whenever you travel to Dubai in the Burj. The Burj Al Arab, which is the only 7-star hotel on the planet here, okay? So let me turn this camera around real quickly here. So here's the door. I'm in room 1111 here, okay? And this is how it looks here. Now listen, this video is only for inspiration purposes. I do this just to let you guys know that, I talk a lot, but I want you to see the fruits of my labor here, okay? So we have a staircase right here. When you walk in, you have a desk that I can work from, okay? And as you can see, we have floor-to-wall ceilings here, which is absolutely incredible here. And Dubai has done such a phenomenal job here as it relates to the design and architecture of the actual hotel here. So if we walk back here, we have a bar. Look here, I want everybody to comment below, I believe. See, the thing is, while you're watching this video here, I want you to envision yourself, okay? It's probably midnight in Houston, Texas right now. I want you to visualize yourself traveling to your desired location around the world. Listen, when I was broke, when I didn't have much, places like this, honest to God, used to be nothing but pictures on my wall, okay? Comment below if you got a vision board. Comment below if every day you're writing in your journal. That's what I did. I wrote in my journal every day when I was in a tough spot in life financially. And I used to write about these experiences where I would walk into hotels and have fruit to eat and my nice Panani water here. some Pellegrino here as well. This is last night's meal. We flew in last night late. We made it safely here. And look at that view. Look at that. I believe. And that's one thing that's a very distinction. People ask me all the time, well, Wesley, what's the distinction between you and other people that actually have a breakthrough financially? And honestly, it's my belief, okay? I just believe in myself. Like, this room is about $5,000 per night here. Okay, this is the panoramic view room here. As you can see here, we have a total panoramic view that overlooks Dubai, okay? And listen, let me share something with you. It's just your belief. If your life is not happening the way that you want it to happen, it's because of your belief. You just don't believe that you'll be able to do this. You keep thinking about, well, how I'm going to do it. See, a lot of you know what you're thinking right now? How? Wes, how? How am I going to afford a trip to Dubai, staying in a hotel, paying $5,000 a night? How am I going to be able to do that? I'm broke. I'm just a single mom. I'm a 9-to-5 grinder. I didn't grow up rich. Well, listen, I didn't either. But the only thing that changed was my belief. And if you begin to change your belief, this will start to become very feasible, okay? I want everybody to comment below, I believe. Okay, let me go upstairs to the bedroom here. But the design is absolute. And this is a room. This is our room here, okay? See those gorgeous roses there that I purchased here. So let me get ready. I don't know where my butler is. I've been waiting on him. I'm gonna come upstairs. Okay, so you see these roses here? Well, I had that put in for me, for the missus, of course, for my boo. So she walked up. So ladies, imagine walking up the staircase here. Rose petals at your feet. Literally, look at that. That feels good. We walk on rose petals. Well, because she's a queen. That's what queens do. Look at that. Imagine your man preparing rose petals so you can walk up the stairs. Okay, look at that. See, think about it. See, listen, you have to picture and use your imagination, folks. So here's the bedroom here. We have another phenomenal view. Here's the bed. That's the mystery woman right there. Turn that deuce. Yeah. And look at that. Look at that. God is good. Oh, praise to the Most High. God is the greatest. Woo! Life is good. Woo! I mean, imagine waking up every morning looking at this phenomenal, outstanding, impeccable view. Baby, hit that TV. Hit that TV. Hit the button to make it come up. So let me show you guys some of the technology here that's in the... Look at that. Watch that. Ain't that fancy? That's fancy, huh? That's fancy. Smash the like button if you can see yourself in this situation right now. You have to listen. Hey, open your mind for me. Listen, you have to see yourself here before you're physically here. Okay? You got to see yourself in this type of situation spiritually first. Okay? Look in here. It's the bathroom. Of course, more rose petals from a boo. Okay, see that? I want her to smell the rose petals. I want her to bathe in the rose petals. You know what I'm saying? You see that? So we got rose petals everywhere here, right? I want to make sure she has a tremendous experience here. Okay? So think about your man. Think about your boyfriend, your husband. Okay? What is he doing for you? I think every woman deserves the best. But the problem with you women, you settle. You settle. Look at that chain. It's my King West chain here. It's done. Shout out to Thank you, brother. That's his name. So imagine we got a bidet here, 2 toilets here, one to wash your butt. Got a regular toilet. You notice all this gold here, okay? It's absolutely phenomenal. How many of you can see yourself here, even though you're not here? Okay? How many of you can see yourself here, even though you're not here? Okay? That's what's important. My clothes here. You folks know I'm a shoe freak. I'm a sneakerhead, Gucci head, whatever. Okay, Christian Dior here. Alexander McQueen, Fendi's. Hold on. Got some Yeezys over here. Fendi's, Yeez, Gucci. Okay. And the great thing about here, got my boo, she got her Chanel, some Louis Vuittons here, YSL. This is just part of her collection. Because I take care of her very well. And that's me. That's your boy. And, I got her a nice little makeup counter here to do her makeup and have our own area. What's important, ladies, right? She has our own closet here, okay, for her things, okay. So, in my opinion, this is how I want to live. How many of you would like to live like this? Okay. Well, if you want to look at these roses here, okay. She loved these roses when she walked in and saw them. Baby, did you love these roses? Yeah. Exactly. Here. Because I wanted her to have a phenomenal experience here. Now, how many of you can believe that not only do you see yourself in this situation, but you believe that you're worthy of it? Okay? You got to truly believe that you're worthy of this experience, okay? Comment below. I'm worthy of this experience right now. Smash the like button, folks. Tagging out. Share the video. And listen, watch this again. The reason why it's important to watch videos like this over and over again, because it gives you a preview of what to expect for your life. Okay? I'm not trying to be braggadocious, or I'm definitely not superior to anybody here on the planet here, but I'm giving people an opportunity to see what's possible. That's it. Okay? I'm not here to brag. I'm just showing you what's possible. I'm just a young black kid from Houston, Texas. Grew up on the South Side. Okay? Nothing phenomenal about me. But what was different is I decided to believe, and I decided to change the way that I think about my reality. And that didn't cost money. I didn't have to get a loan, right? I didn't have to use my credit score to do that. I just made a decision that every day of my life is going to be an opportunity for me to create my world. And I do that. And as you can see here, I've been creating very well. And I want you to know that I love you.